I'm not going to pretend that I've driven this for much, but it's Alfa Romeo always manages to capture the imagination somehow with cars. It's for a little run around that's 2-cylinder, it's still got all the little, you know, like it's got the lip at the front, and I've always loved Alfas. Great clutch pickup, like drivability. All the guards pumped out. So what do I say about this car? Don't know much. It's a 2-cylinder version, but you know, for $10,000 odd you can pick these up. Sorry? For $10,000 to pick these up, you know, bought well, with history and stuff. There's air conditioning issues, they don't really cool, and I've heard about it, but this one's been regassed under warranty and stuff. So, but if you're going to pick one up that's been well looked after and you're going to be easy on it, not do deliveries and stuff in it, I don't know, it might be an alright car, but it's just like, I always take a moment out to look at the Alfas. You know, it's nice. It's got really nice things about it. This is the 2-cylinder. I don't know, how bad are they? Can they be that bad? How bad is the Alfa Romeo? I mean, I'm just assuming people say it's terrible. I don't know why, but is it good? Anyone got one?